Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks fell Wednesday after the Federal Reserve raised rates by 25 basis points, as widely expected, its 10th consecutive increase in just over a year. Earlier bullish sentiment was dented somewhat after Fed Chair Jerome Powell ruled out cutting interest rates because he did not expect inflation to come down quickly enough. He warned that the recent banking turmoil appeared to be resulting in even tighter credit conditions for household and businesses, which was likely to weigh on economic activity and the labour market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed lower by 0.8%, the S&P 500 dropped 0.7%, whilst the Nasdaq Composite slid 0.46%. The indexes notched three-day losing streaks. Overnight pressure remained on the banking sector, with the SPDR S&P Banking ETF declining more than 1%. The regional banking ETF fell more than 6% during Tuesday's trading session. Shares of PacWest shed nearly 2% after losing about 28% the prior day. Western Alliance shares were down 4.4%. In tech news, Qualcomm reported second quarter earnings on Wednesday that were in line with analyst expectations, but saw sales from handset chips, a core business from the company, decline 17% on an annual basis. Qualcomm CEO Cristiano Amon blamed a challenging environment in a statement, and the company said it had not seen evidence that smartphone sales are recovering in China. In biotech news, shares of Immunogen more than doubled after the experimental ovarian cancer drug was found to have extended the lives of patients in a late-stage trial and receive accelerated approval from the US FDA. All eyes will be on Apple earnings on Thursday, with the focus on capital management. The iPhone maker has been the buyback king over the past decade. From 2012 through to the end of 2022, Apple spent over $572 billion on share repurchases, the most of any company, according to FactSet data. In commodity news, the pursuit of copper has been intensified due to its vital role in green technology and the growing demand for electric vehicles and solar panels. However, supply growth is unlikely to meet demand, and the slow pace of China's property recovery and global economic headwinds may limit copper's potential in the short term. Banks and insurers are increasingly implementing coal exclusion policies in their investments, with over 200 financial institutions globally having such policies, according to a report from the Institute for Energy, Economics and Financial Analysis, indicating a growing trend towards climate action. Overnight, all sectors closed lower. Energy rounded off another day in a row as the worst performer, whilst health recorded the fewest losses of the lot. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.5% fall. Thank you for listening.